This week's bunch, Merci Bouquet, is a soft velvety mix that you'll just want to dive into.
Welcome to Blue Box Clo unpacking and flower arranging this week. I've got my take a break detail, I've got my snips, I've got my pink favourite vase that we're going to play with, and we've got this week's beautiful flowers. I like to take two sections and nestle it into the vase so it falls over a little bit. And again, just come in on the other side to allow for some angles. You've just got fresh water in that vase up to about this height here, and also one of your flower food sachets. So next we're going to put in some silver suede or dusty melon just at the neck of the vase to frame the foliage, and also just on the other side so it sits and sings nice and evenly. First we're going to take the lisianthus and give them all a quick trim. I just want you to nestle the lisianthus amongst the grip with the silver suede framing the front of the vase. With your tulips, I like to give them a fresh cut just above the leaf, which is at the lowest point, and just on an angle. Tulips are really delicate to work with, so you need to make sure that you give them some extra support when inserting them into your arrangement so that they don't snap and break. For more impact, we're going to put the three tulips together on the end of this beautiful vase. And there you have it, this week's box. Hi everyone, welcome to... I've got a bug.